Good morning, everybody. Happy Stringman Sunday. It's also Ryan Blaney Day. Stringman Sunday, I didn't know what show to do, so I asked these guys right here. I said, what should we do? And they said, do the dogs. Yeah, you want to do the dogs? He said, let's do the dogs. Yo, Murph, say hi. He said, let's do the dogs. So we're going to do the dogs. All right? Say hi. All right, we're going to do the dogs. We did it. All right. Palmyra, South Jersey, 1990. Palmyra, South Jersey goes to the dogs. It's mom time, baby.
Come to me, thoughts of her, won't let me be. Go to the valley.
Thinking right now, they must be a little nervous, but here they come, the Palmyra, South Jersey String Band.
From Snoopy to the Hound Dogs, They are here performing the Palmyra, South Jersey String Band, their first year on the street as a joint band. And Ray, I think that they really pulled together their strengths and really showed it here tonight.
I couldn't agree more. If this performance was any indication of what the future holds for the Palmyra, South Jersey String Band, well, the future holds miracles. We'll be back in just a minute with the Aqua String Band.